Hey Excel enthusiasts, welcome back to Excel Hacks for Everyday Users. Today we are spotlighting a game-changing shortcut, Ctrl+5. Ever heard of it? If not, you're about to learn something awesome. What does Ctrl+5 do? It's the ultimate tool for strikethrough formatting. With just one keystroke, you can mark data as done, irrelevant, or simply cross it off your list. Here's an example. I've got this task list. I just completed update report. Instead of deleting it, I select the cell, hit Ctrl+5, and look, strike through applied. It's perfect for keeping track of completed tasks without losing your history. And if you change your mind, no problem. Just press Ctrl+5 again, and the strike-through disappears. Quick, clean, and super effective. This shortcut is a productivity lifesaver, especially for project tracking or organizing lists. So go ahead, try Ctrl+5 and let it revolutionize how you manage your data. Hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below how you use Ctrl+5. Until next time, keep mastering Excel.